will learn the topic plant cell and animal cell. Under this topic, I would invite children of class 9. First, Aisha. She will introduce some parts of animal cell.
This is the model of animal cell. The covering here we can see is the cell membrane, and in inner we can see this is the nucleus, and in middle of it we can see nucleolus. There are some Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulums, mitochondria, and many cell organelles which is present in the cytoplasm. There are lysosomes, ribosomes, etc. in the cell organelles, and here we can see that the vacuole is very small or absent.
Now this is the structure of a plant cell, and the outer covering of the plant cell is known as cell wall, and the second layer of the plant cell is known as cell membrane. We can see nucleus and the vacuoles. These are mitochondria, chloroplast, and the Golgi apparatus, and the endoplasmic reticulum, and the fluid is called cytoplasm.
Children, do you understood different part of plant and animal cell?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after understanding or identifying different parts of plant and animal cell, we will differentiate between plant cell and animal cell. So now these children, with the help of these two models, differentiate between plant cell and animal cell.
The first difference would be the cell wall, which is present in plant cell only.
And the second difference is that the centrosome is absent in plant cell.
And whereas in animal cell we can see centrosomes.
The third difference is that the vacuoles is covering the 50 to 90% of space in plant cell, but
whereas in animal cell the vacuoles are very small in size, as mentioned earlier.
These basically four difference between plant cell and animal cell. Now every child can differentiate? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.